Namaste, Adab, Vanakkam, Sat Sri Akal. A warm welcome to all of you to the first episode of Banking in the Age of Meme, where we are going to make sense of banking for the new India. I'm your host, Zubair, heads digital channels at Ujjivan Small Finance Bank, and today we are chatting with Prashant, where we are going to talk about the nuances of digital savvy spending. Now, considering all the options that you have, I see that you are more inclined towards online banking, right? So I wanted to know your view why it is not traditional banking.
Okay, do you remember that photos and videos that used to come online about people standing in the lines of banks, especially
I was
during time, especially during the time of demonetization? I think that was one of the biggest experience for me. I myself have experienced that to an extent, and because of that reason itself, I believe online banking is here to stay. I definitely believe traditional banking has its place, but online banking, it's more convenient, it's easier, it is what we all need in our current time where we don't actually have time to do anything. I don't remember I have been to my main bank branch in the past 1 year, 2 years. With my new bank that I have, the new bank that I have opened my account with, I have never been to their branch. I just opened a digital account, and that's it.
We have seen this massive shift, customers moving from cash transaction to digital transactions. Personally, I have experienced it. From your perspective, how has this impacted in your digital spending?
Actually, it's been pretty transformative. My spending habits have changed drastically. Earlier, I used to think about cash, I have to carry it, and all those sort of things. But now it's all about contactless payments. It's a one-stop thing for me. It's a one-tap thing for me. So it's really great actually to live in this time that I don't have to think about carrying cash in my wallet. So recently there's something called as goal-based savings that have come to hear about. That has helped me a lot because savings itself is sort of new to me as a young person. I have not been in that mindset where I have to save because I always had the backing of my family or my parents there, right? But now when I'm earning myself, when I have to think about future, money to save is also something in my mind. But then how to save, what to do about it, how to invest so that I can earn more. That has helped me a lot with that financial advisor point. Yes, the new apps, the new technologies that are coming, that is actually helping me more than what I have studied in the past.
Prashant, can you share a one moment when digital payment have really made a difference in your life?
Actually, it did. I will go back to the demonetization time only because on the night when it was announced, I was actually traveling to another city, and all the cash that I had made no sense. It was just white paper there, right? So luckily, I was on initially those new apps that came into picture about digital payments. Luckily, I was on it, and there was certain amount of money available in that wallet in that particular app that helped me to at least travel to come back home. So that was a really good experience and helped me understand the importance of digital money.
That's a perfect example of how digital solutions can really come through when you need them more. I have personally experienced, like you were mentioning in the initially, that people standing in the queues to the ATM in the branches just to withdraw 2000 rupees was the limitation it was given, and there's a massive push for the customers to adopt the digital payment. And thanks to all the innovations that happened in this segment. Absolutely, well, it's been great having you on, Prashant. Thanks for sharing your insights into the world of digital spending.
Thanks for having me again, and it's been a phenomenal experience.
It's been a pleasure, and thank you to our listeners tuning into digital savvy spending. Stay tuned for more episodes where we explore how technology is shaping our financial world. Until next time, namaste.